Toyota BZ4X. The Toyota BZ4X is an all-new electric SUV that's designed to take you further. With a sleek, aerodynamic body and a range of up to 310 miles, the BZ4X is perfect for long-distance trips. Its advanced all-wheel drive system and powerful electric motor give it the power to tackle any terrain. Plus, its intuitive infotainment system and suite of safety features make it a great choice for tech-savvy drivers. The BZ4X's advanced all-wheel drive system is designed to give you maximum traction in any terrain. It's powered by two electric motors, one at the front and one at the rear, that provide instant torque and power when you need it most. The system also has 4 driving modes: normal, sport, eco, and off-road, so you can tailor your driving experience to suit your needs. BZ4X versus Tesla. BZ4X and Tesla are two of the most popular electric vehicles on the market. Both cars offer a range of features and benefits for drivers looking for an environmentally friendly and efficient ride. BZ4X is more affordable and offers a powerful and efficient ride, while Tesla is more expensive but offers a range of features designed to make driving easier and more enjoyable. Both cars have advanced safety features, but Tesla has a more comprehensive suite of features. Tesla also offers a range of features designed to make driving easier and more enjoyable, while BZ4X focuses more on power and performance. Ultimately, the choice between BZ4X and Tesla will depend on the driver's needs and budget. The BZ4X's powerful electric motor provides instant torque and power when you need it most. It's capable of producing up to 302 horsepower and 317 pounds-to-foot of torque, so you can be sure you'll have the power to tackle any terrain. Plus, its 3-phase AC synchronous motor is designed to be efficient and reliable, so you can enjoy a smooth, comfortable ride. The BZ4X's intuitive infotainment system is designed to make your drive more enjoyable. It features an 8-inch touchscreen display that's easy to use and intuitive. Plus, it's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can stay connected while you're on the go. The system also has a range of other features, such as voice recognition, navigation, and more. The BZ4X is equipped with a range of safety features to keep you and your passengers safe. It has a pre-collision system that can detect potential collisions and alert you to take action. Plus, it has lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and blind spot monitor, so you can drive with confidence. The BZ4X also has an automatic emergency braking system, so you can be sure you'll be safe on the road.